Here's some Cartesian dualism trivia. Subscribe. Who proposed the concept of Cartesian dualism? Is it A. René Descartes, B. Immanuel Kant, C. Thomas Hobbes, or D. Plato? The correct answer is A. René Descartes. What philosophical idea separates mind from body? Is it A. materialism, B. monism, C. idealism, or D. dualism? The correct answer is D. dualism. Which work contains Descartes' famous quote, Cogito ergo sum? Is it A. ethics, B. discourse on methods, C. meditations, or D. principles of philosophy? The correct answer is C. meditations. What term refers to the belief in two distinct substances? Is it A. materialism, B. idealism, C. substance dualism, or D. monism? The correct answer is C. substance dualism. In which year did Descartes publish Meditations on First Philosophy? Is it A. 1602, B. 1641, C. 1670, or D. 1625? The correct answer is B. 1641. What is the view that only physical substances exist? Is it A. physicalism, B. solipsism, C. dualism, or D. idealism? The correct answer is A. physicalism. What concept asserts that mental events can cause physical events? Is it A. causal interactionism, B. idealism, C. dualism, or D. physicalism? The correct answer is A. causal interactionism. Which type of dualism claims both mental and physical substances exist? Is it A. idealism, B. physicalism, C. property dualism, or D. substance monism? The correct answer is C. property dualism. What is the name of Descartes' famous method of doubt? Is it A. Socratic questioning, B. empirical analysis, C. Cartesian logic, or D. methodical skepticism? The correct answer is D. methodical skepticism. Thanks for watching. Comment with how many questions you got correct. Should we make the next video have easier or harder problems? Was the difficulty just right? Do you have suggestions for future trivia topics? Don't forget to drop a like and sub if you enjoyed the video.